Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to discuss about soil. So let's start. So if we talk about soil, soil is the uppermost layer of the crust of the earth's surface, which is composed of various elements such as minute particles, minerals, humidity, humus, air, etc. In other words, we can say which have the capacity to grow and develop vegetation. So soil is having all those elements which can grow the vegetation. Next, soil formation. Soil formation is a very long process and it occurs as a result of a gradual breakdown of the parent rock. So here what happens when the parent rock is broken down into dust particles and minute particles. So those particles here, finer particles, those particles are mixed with water, air, minerals, humidity. Then the soil is formed, and it is due to the process of weathering and erosion. And the process can be very slow and taking many thousands of years. So it takes lot of time to be formed. And climate plays a very important role in soil formation. So we can see the impact of climate in soil formation. Number one, the soil formed of different types of rocks in a particular region over a long time is the same. Here we have different type of rocks A, B, C and D in a particular region under the same climatic condition. So what it means? Different types of rocks under the impact of same climatic condition. So the soil formed same. So the soil will be formed same. Okay. Or we can say same soil will be formed from the different parent rock under the same climatic condition. Okay. So the main factor is climate because the climate is same in this region but the parent rocks are different, but due to same climate the soil will be formed from these four rocks will be same. The characteristic of the soil will be same. Next, soil formed out of the same parental rocks under different climatic influence is different. Here parent rock is same, but this same parent rock under different climatic influence. Here climate A, B and C. So what it means? Same parent rock under the different climatic influence, so soil will be different. Soil A, soil B, soil C. So from the same parent rock, soil will be formed differently because the parent rock is under the impact of different climatic condition. So from the both figures, we can see that climate is playing a very important role in the soil formation. Next, types of soil. So if we talk about types of soil, soil are classified on the basis of their color, climate, parental rocks, structure, humus, etc. And recently, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, that is ICAR, has divided the soils of India into 8 types. Here, alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, laterite, desert or arid, peaty or marshy, forest soil and mountain soil. Of these, forest soil and mountain soil are found at different altitude in the mountainous regions. So, we will discuss types of soil one by one. First soil, that is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most fertile and widespread over 43% of the total area of land. Here we can see in this image. So 43% of land area is covered with alluvial soil. This is here alluvial soil. It is formed due to the deposition of the fine silt called alluvium by the rivers. We know that the rivers which comes from the mountainous area, Himalayas basically, brings the silt or the it can be called as alluvium. So when this alluvium comes down here and deposit in this land, then this soil is formed. So basically this soil is found in the northern plain of India. This is northern plain of India. Here northern plain from Brahmaputra Valley here in the east, Brahmaputra Valley up to Satluj in the west here, and in the delta regions of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers. Okay. It contains soil nutrients such as potash, phosphoric acid and limestone. So these minerals are or nutrients are very important for the growth of vegetation. In this soil there is less proportion of nitrogen and humus. So humus and nitrogen is not found in this soil. But we can have nitrogen content if we grow the pulses in this soil. So now nitrogen content can be increased. So it is fertile and good for the growth of sugarcane, rice, wheat, paddy, jute, cotton, maize. So these are the different crops which can be grown in alluvial soil. Next, black soil. Black soil is also called as ragged soil, and black cotton soil also it is called because they are black in color and are very good for cotton cultivation. It covers 15% of the total area of land, and it has the capacity to hold moisture for a long time, and this soil develops deep cracks in summer. So when this moisture gets dry, so cracks are formed in the soil in summer season. It is mainly found in the Deccan Trap here. This is the Deccan Trap basically. This part is of India, and it covers whole Maharashtra, means entire Maharashtra, here western Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and certain parts of Karnataka here. In Gujarat also it is found in some districts of Surat, Bharuch, Narmada, Vadodara, Tapi and Dang district. And in this soil, more proportion of iron, lime, calcium, potash, aluminium and magnesium carbonate are found. Next, red soil. Red soil occupies 19% of the total land of India. Here, red soil. The color of red soil is red due to the presence of ferric oxide, that is iron, and it becomes yellow while going down. Means the color of soil changes into yellow color beneath the earth surface. There is a deficiency of lime, magnesium, phosphate, nitrogen and potash in this soil. Basically it is found in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Scattered patches are also seen in the district of Udaipur, Chittorgarh, Dungarpur, Banswara and Vilwada, some part of Rajasthan. Crops like millet, cotton, wheat, jowar, linseed, groundnut, potato, etc. are grown in this soil. So these are the major crops of red soil. Next, laterite soil. Here, this green color is showing in this map is laterite soil. Here. So the word laterite is derived from the Latin word that is later, and which means brick. It is formed due to the changes in the dry and humid climate and erosion of silica. So basically the impact of climate is very important in the formation of this soil. So dry and humid climate and due to the erosion of silica, the soil is formed. And when it becomes wet, it becomes smooth like a butter. And when it is dry, it becomes very hard. And it contains more of iron, potash, and aluminium. The main contents of this soil are iron, potash, aluminium. And if we use manure and fertilizer, then this soil can also be cultivated. But we have to use manure and fertilizer. It is good for the cultivation of cotton, paddy, ragi, sugarcane, tea, coffee, cashew nut. And where it is found? Here in this picture we can see image. Here Kerala, Karnataka, some part of Tamil Nadu, in MP, here Odisha, here and Assam. Next, desert soil. Desert soil is found in the arid region or dry areas, and basically the color is red and brown, and they are sandy and saline soil. Humus and moisture content are very less, and if we want to cultivate this soil, so we need irrigation here. So after irrigation only this soil can be cultivated. It is found in Rajasthan, Haryana and some parts of Punjab, southern Punjab. In Gujarat also this soil is found in Kutch and some parts of Saurashtra. And main crops of desert soil are millet and jowar. Next, mountain soil. It is found in the valley and slopy regions of Himalayas at an altitude of about 2700 to 3000 meters. In Assam, Darjeeling, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir, and in the regions of pine and shade trees in Himalayas, and the layer of the mountain soil is very thin and underdeveloped, means not fertile. Next, forest soil. It is found within the altitude between 3000 to 3100 meters in the coniferous forest of Himalaya and in Sahyadri, Eastern Ghats and Tarai regions of Himalaya. Here, forest soil. This brown color, forest soil. The land surface is covered with shaded leaves, and due to the decay of these leaves, humus is formed in this soil and which makes the upper part of the soil black. The color of soil changes into blue or red while going down within the land. So the color of soil changes into blue or red beneath the earth's surface within the land. Tea, coffee, spices and other crops like wheat, paddy, etc. are grown here. So these are the major crops of forest soil. Next, marshy or peaty soil. This soil is formed due to the presence of biotic elements in the humid region. And during rainy season, the soil is submerged within the water, and when the water recedes, the land is exposed and becomes suitable for paddy cultivation. So this soil is important for paddy cultivation, and there is excess of biotic elements and saline contents and a deficiency of phosphate and potash. This soil is found in coastal regions of Odisha, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and central area of North Bihar and Almora district of Uttarakhand.